Hello students, today we are going to learn application of quadratic equations. Now, in this application, we see problems in practice set 2.6. Practice set 2.6. Question number 1. Product of Pragati's age. Product of Pragati's age 2 years. 2 years ago and 3 years hence and 3 years hence is 84. Find the present age of find her present age. Find her present age. Find her present age. Now here we have given product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. We have to find her present age. Now here first we consider we have to find present age of Pragati. Therefore, first we consider present age of Pragati. Yes, let present age of Pragati be X years. Let present age of Pragati be X years. Now, if present age of Pragati is 10 years, before 2 years, her age becomes 10 minus 2, that is 8 years. After 3 years, that is 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 years. Now here, therefore, then her age before 2 years, her age before 2 years is equal to X minus 2 years, and hence 3 years hence means after 3 years, and after 3 years is equal to X plus 3 years. Now by given condition, we have given condition. What is the condition? The product of their ages becomes 84. Therefore, by given condition, now we have given condition, their product of their ages, that is X minus 2, X plus 3 is equal to 84. Now from this, first we have to form quadratic equation in the standard form, and by solving that quadratic equation, find the value of X, and X is the present age of Pragati. Therefore, taking multiplication, multiplying by X into X square, X into 3 plus 3X. Multiplying by minus 2 into X minus 2X, minus 2 into plus 3 minus 6. Now transfer this term to the left hand side. Minus 84 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 3x minus 2x is x, minus 6 minus 84 is minus 90 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in general form or standard form. Now we have to find two terms whose multiplication is coefficient of x square is 1, 1 into minus 90, that is minus 90. Find two numbers, difference between that number must be 1. Now we find factors of 9, dividing by 2 45, dividing by 3 15, dividing by 5 3, or dividing by first divide by 3, here write down 5, dividing by 5 1. Now difference between that number is 1, that is 2 into 5 10, 3 into 3 9. Now here plus 1, therefore take plus 10 and minus 3 into 3 9. Now here if coefficient of x square is 1, in this quadratic equation if coefficient of x square is 1, then we can write its factors directly as x plus 10, x minus 9 equal to 0. That is x plus 10, x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now we see whether this is correct or not. We can write this as x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. From first two, x common, x plus 10 minus 9 common, x plus 10. Now from these two, taking x plus 10 common, into bracket x minus 9. But if coefficient of x square is 1, then we can write this directly. Now product of two number equal to 0. If first number equal to 0, that is x plus 10 equal to 0, or second number equal to 0, that is x minus 9 equal to 0. Therefore values of x are x is equal to plus 10 becomes minus 10, or x is equal to minus 9 becomes plus 9. Now here value of x is minus 10. We consider here x is the present age of Pragati. Now age cannot be negative, but age cannot be negative. Age cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 is not applicable. Is not applicable. Therefore, value of x is equal to 9. Therefore, value of x is equal to 9. Now we find value of x. Therefore, write down answer. Therefore, x is the present age of Pragati. Therefore, present age of Pragati is 9 years. Now we see whether this is correct or not. We have given condition before 2 years. What is the age of Pragati? 9 minus 2, that is 7. After 3 years, 9 plus 3, 12, and its product is 12 into 7 is 84. Therefore, we have given their product 84. Therefore, this answer is correct. That is, present age of Pragati is 9 years. Now second example, number 2. The sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. Now here, the sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. Now we know that first even natural number is 2. Now what is the second even natural number? That is, we get this 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Third, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, and so on. That is, first two consecutive numbers, their difference between them are 2. If first number is x, then second number becomes x plus 2. Therefore, first we write, let the sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 224, 244. Find the numbers. Let the two consecutive even natural numbers, let x and x plus 2 be the two consecutive even natural numbers. Now we consider this, let x and x plus 2 be the two consecutive even natural numbers. Therefore, by given condition, now what is the condition? We have given the sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. That is, sum of its square, that is x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 244. Now solve this x square plus, now by using formula a plus b whole square. Now a plus b whole square formula is a square plus twice ab plus b square. Now here value of a is x, therefore x square plus twice the product of these two, 2 into 2, 4 into x, that is 4x, plus 2 square is 4. Now take this term to the left hand side, 244 equal to 0. Now take addition, x square plus x square 2x square plus 4x. Now 4 minus 244 is minus 240 equal to 0. Now which term is common here? 2. Therefore, dividing each term by 2. Dividing by 2. We get, divide each term by 2, here 2 get cancelled, x square plus dividing by 2, 2x minus dividing by 2, 1, 2, 0 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in standard form. Now we have to find values of x, that is roots of this quadratic equation. Here coefficient of x square is 1. 1 into minus 120, that is minus 120. We have to find two terms. Difference between that term must be 2. Now write down here factors of 120, 2, 60, 230, 215, 3, 5, 5, 1. Now take terms. Difference between that term must be 2. That is 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12, 2 into 5, 10. Plus, here plus term, therefore take plus 12 minus 10. Now here also, coefficient of x square is 1, therefore we can write directly as its factors are x plus 12 into x minus 10 equal to 0. Now here first bracket equal to 0 or second bracket equal to 0. That is first value x is equal to minus 12 or x is equal to minus becomes plus 10. Here we consider here x is the natural number, but natural number cannot be negative, but natural number cannot be negative. Therefore x is equal to minus 12 is not applicable. Then what is the applicable? Therefore x is equal to 10. Therefore x is equal to 10. Therefore x is equal to 10. And x is we have to find the numbers. Therefore the numbers are the first two consecutive even natural numbers are first number is x is equal to 10 and second number is x plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. This is the answer. That is the numbers are 10 and 12. Now we see whether this is correct or not. We have given condition the sum of square of two consecutive even natural numbers. Sum of square, that is 10 square is 100 plus 12 square 144 is equal to 244. We have given their sum is 244. Therefore our answer is correct. Write down question number 3. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1 upon 6. Find their present ages. Find their present ages. Find their present ages. Now in this example we have given Vivek is older than Kishore. That is, Vivek is bigger than Kishore. Kishore by 5 years. Now we consider smaller one as years. Let the present age of Kishore be X years. Present age of Kishore be X years. Then now we have given Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. Therefore then present age of Vivek is X plus 5 years. X plus 5 years. Therefore, by given condition, now we have given condition the sum of the reciprocals of their ages, means reciprocal of X is 1 upon X, reciprocal of X plus 5 is 1 upon X plus 5. Its sum, that is 1 upon X plus 1 upon X plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Now here taking LCM of left hand side, that is X into X plus 5. Dividing this term by X get cancelled. X plus 5 into 1, that is X plus 5. Plus X plus 5 get cancelled. X into 1 is X is equal to 1 upon 6. Now taking addition in numerator, X plus X 2X plus 5 divided by, here multiplying by X into X square plus 5X is equal to 1 upon 6. Now here taking cross multiplication, first write down 1 into bracket X square plus 5X plus 6 is equal to 6 into bracket 2X plus 5. Now taking multiplication, multiplying by 1, X square plus 5X is equal to 6 into 2 12X plus 6 into 5 30. Therefore X square plus 5X plus 12 becomes minus 12X plus 30 becomes minus 30 is equal to 0. Now from this equation we get standard equation or general equation of quadratic equation, that is X square plus 5X minus 12X plus 5 minus 12, that is minus 7X minus 30 is equal to 0. Now find two terms. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. Now find two terms whose multiplication is 1 into minus 30, that is minus 30. Now take factors of 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. Now take two terms, difference between that term must be 7, that is 5 into 2, 10 and 3. Take here minus 10 plus 3. Here coefficient of X square is 1, Therefore, we can write directly as x minus 10 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, first term equal to 0 or second term equal to 0. Here, value of x is plus 10. Here, x is equal to minus 3. Now, we consider x is the present age of Kishore, but age cannot be negative. But age cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 is not applicable. X is equal to minus 3 is not applicable. Is not applicable. Therefore, value of x is equal to 10. Value of x is 10. And we have to find their present ages. Therefore, present age of Kishore is x is equal to 10 years and present age of Vivek and present age of Vivek is x plus 5 is equal to x is 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 years. That is, present age of Kishore is 10 years and present age of Vivek is 15 years. Now we see whether this is correct or not. We have given the present age of Vivek is 5 years greater than Kishore's age. That is, 15 is greater than 5 years of this 10. And their reciprocals 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15 is equal to, now taking LCM is 10 into 15. Here 15 plus 10 is equal to 25 divided by 10 into 15. Dividing by 5, 3 is equal to, dividing by 5, 2 is equal to 1 upon 6. That is, the sum of their reciprocal is 1 upon 6. Therefore, our answer is correct. That is, present age of Kishore is 10 years and present age of Vivek is 15 years. Thank you.